Kai Shukuan, better known by the mononym Kun, is a Chinese singer, songwriter, dancer, actor and rapper. Kun was born on August 2, 1998 in Wenzhou, Zhejiang but partially spent his childhood in Waiwa, Hunan with his grandparents and later grew up in Shenzhen, Guangdong. During his time in elementary school, he was chosen to be the principal's assistant and student union's president and various essay writing competitions. After graduating, he moved to Shenzhen to complete junior high school at National Experimental High School. Around the age of 16, he studied at Grace Brethren High School in Simi Valley, California, United States. In 2020, he ranked 31st on Forbes China's Celebrity 100 list. January 2020, it was announced that Kun will be the youth representative of IK's Youth With You Season 2. In March 2020, Kun and actress Tong Lear released a song titled The Mountains and Rivers Are on My Chest. In April 2020, Kun released the single Home, a song written to help support those who were under lockdown during the COVID-19 pandemic. On May 2020, Kun released his newest single Lover. A day after its release, Lover ranked first on QQ Music's charts. He went on to become a member of the group Soen's S. In 2018, he joined the reality competition show Idol Producer and subsequently formed the group 9%. He debuted as a member of Soen and its subunit Soen S on October 18, 2016 after participating in the first and second season of the South Korean Chinese reality show Super Idol. Kun announced his first solo tour, Kun One North America or UK Tour 2019, coming in early April 2019. After he successfully wrapped up his sold-out tour overseas on July 26, Kun released his second episode titled Young, which consists of two songs, Young and Blindfolded. Upon release, the episode also immediately dominated domestic music charts, dubbing him the king of digital singles of 2019. Most of Kun's solo works are original, including Wait 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 and his first episode 1. The episode was a commercial success with every song topping Chinese music charts. Pull Up, the first track, broke 10 records and peaked at number 1 on 4 of QQ music charts as well as ranking first on Billboard China's V chart for 8 consecutive weeks. At the time of its release in 2018, Wait 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 debuted at number 1 on QQ Music's new song list and popular music list for 10 weeks and won the title of Asia's hottest song for 4 consecutive weeks. T.C. Candler and the Independent Critics released their highly awaited list of the 100 most handsome faces of 2018, taking into account the large pool of public opinion and suggestions, where Kun has been ranked as having the 27th most handsome face in 2018. On December 30, Kun performed You Can Be My Girlfriend and Wait 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 at the Zhejiang TV New Year's Eve concert. In 2012, he made an appearance on the television program Fairy Tale. From April to May 2018, Kun's first single I Wanna Get Love had topped the mainland China's C-pop single charts as China's number 1 single for almost 3 weeks.